We often think of the world we live in today as being vastly different from the world of our ancestors. We have technology, modern medicine, and global communication at our fingertips. But if we take a closer look at the history of humanity, we can see that many of the challenges and successes we face today have been present throughout our past. Let's start by going back in time to the earliest known human societies. Archaeological evidence suggests that humans first emerged as a species around 200,000 years ago in Africa. At this time, humans lived as hunter-gatherers, relying on their knowledge of the environment to find food, shelter, and other resources. As humans began to spread out across the globe, they developed different cultural practices and social structures. Some societies were based on nomadic lifestyles, while others built permanent settlements. Over time, humans began to domesticate plants and animals, which led to the development of agriculture and the rise of early civilizations. One of the earliest known civilizations was in Mesopotamia, which is now modern-day Iraq. The people of this region developed a system of writing, as well as advancements in mathematics, astronomy, and architecture. Similar developments were happening in other parts of the world as well, including China, India, and Egypt. As civilizations grew in size and complexity, they also became more susceptible to conflict and warfare. The rise and fall of empires throughout history is a testament to this fact. The Roman Empire, for example, dominated much of Europe, Africa, and the Middle East for centuries, but eventually fell due to a combination of factors such as economic decline, political instability, and external invasions. Despite the many challenges faced by societies throughout history, there have also been moments of great achievement and progress. The Renaissance, for example, saw a revival of interest in art, literature, and science in Europe. This period led to advancements in fields such as anatomy, physics, and astronomy, which laid the groundwork for many of the scientific breakthroughs we see today. Of course, the story of humanity is not just one of progress and achievement. There have also been moments of great tragedy and suffering, such as the slave trade, the Holocaust, and countless other examples of oppression and violence. One of the defining characteristics of human society is our ability to create and transmit culture. From language and literature to music and art, culture has been a driving force in shaping the world we live in. Throughout history, cultural practices have varied widely, from the elaborate ceremonies of the Aztecs to the minimalist aesthetics of Japanese Zen gardens. Religion has also played a significant role in the history of humanity. Many of the world's major religions, such as Christianity, Islam, and Buddhism, have shaped the beliefs and practices of millions of people across the globe. Religious institutions have often been at the center of social and political movements, both for good and for ill. The history of humanity is not just a story of civilizations and cultures, but also of the natural world. From the evolution of life on Earth to the complex ecosystems that sustain us today, the natural world has played a fundamental role in shaping human society. As we continue to confront issues such as climate change and environmental degradation, it's important to understand the interconnectedness of our world and the impact that humans have on it. Looking to the future, there are both reasons for hope and reasons for concern. Advances in technology and science have the potential to transform our world in ways that were once unimaginable. At the same time, issues such as income inequality, political instability, and environmental degradation remain major challenges. In the end, the history of humanity is a story of resilience, innovation, and perseverance in the face of adversity. It's a story of triumphs and tragedies, of great achievements and terrible mistakes. It's a story that continues to unfold, with each passing day shaping the world we will pass on to future generations. Understanding our history is essential if we are to learn from the past and build a better future. By exploring the origins and evolution of humanity, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the challenges and triumphs that have brought us to where we are today. In this video, we've taken a brief look at some of the key moments and themes in the history of humanity. But of course, there is so much more to explore. We encourage you to continue learning and exploring the history of our species, and to think about how this knowledge can inform our actions and decisions today. Thank you for watching. Good night and sweet dreams.